watching a video made by Cody Corsa. Please enjoy.
Woo! I just hooked into a big old bass here. Woo! Actually, not as big as I thought. But, don't care. Just catching all these fishing today anyways, unless I catch a bunch of ears. Come on. He's hooked right on the bottom lip, so I can't get the hook. Can't lip him. Yeah, he's not that big. Fun though. Darn. One sec. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, he missed the first time there. Got it again. I wasn't able to, he came in so fast I wasn't able to get the GoPro going. Not a bad little guy though. Well done the holy sauce. Man, 2 seconds before that I had a giant crappie on, 13, 14 incher. And when I caught that guy on, a little bomb spoon with some waxies tipped on it. And that's been a fairly good pattern today. And there have been a few perch, crappie, bluegill moving through here. And I will have underwater camera footage for you, don't worry. But they come in so fast it's hard to get the camera on them. And unfortunately, this will be one of my last ice fishing videos of the year because I will be moving at the end of the month. At least that's the plan. But stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll see a sketch of my new logo. And I'll get back to you when I get another fish. These guys just came trucking it. Oh boy. And they just took off. I don't think that's a good sign, but I'm going to keep on fishing. And it's getting sketchy. Oh, here he comes. Come on in, buddy. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. And they're acting real jumpy. It's a little scary. Usually when they act like this, there's a pike or something around. Oh, darn, I thought he had it. One problem with bluegill, they'll come up and just kind of sit there with it. Even on camera, it's sometimes hard to tell. Just going to jiggle it in his face there. The other guy's coming back. Here's competitive feeding, though. You got 2 bluegill around, and then they both get uninterested in it. This guy is really wanting it, but he's saying he's too small for it. I'm rather concerned though, because these guys are acting all jumpy when coming in. There's got to be something big around. Oop. That guy came trucking it. Man, he slammed it and he's a little guy. He just came trucking in. Nice little red here. How'd you even fit the hook in your mouth? Take a look at that. The treble is as wide as his mouth. You got some trouble with trebles, buddy. Okay, there we go. Bye-bye. That was again on that little bomb spoon. Little gold bomb spoon. I'll show a picture. Pretty sure I showed a picture of it before. And you can tell on camera here that I am fishing over some weed cover. And the water clarity is junk. That's why I'm using a gold spoon. You really want to match the watercolor as much as you can. When you got clear water, use brighter baits, or well, more naturally colored baits for clear water. Gold and other bright colors like pink and red you use for those colors. Right now, I would almost say a perch color would be about perfect now. Fortunately, I don't have a bomb spoon in perch. The bomb spoon is just so nice for getting panfish, and here comes another one. You can just get down to the school so quick before they all go off. It's another little guy. But yeah, it's so good. I've had crappie come in and hit this thing just a straight jig, but it's always good to tip with a few waxies. And yeah, it appears that the school spooked there. Man, that guy came trucking in for it. Get you on the next one. Darn, I had a couple bluegill come in. They all of a sudden bolted. Wonder what's up. Oop, he's coming back. Come on. Come on. Yeah, here comes the other guy. Oh, take it. Oh, that's why. There's a bass. Oh, yeah, you scram, buddy. Sheesh. All of a sudden, really competitive. Now I kind of want to catch that bass. There's that bluegill. Well, better than the last one. Another red ear. Would have liked to catch that bass, though. Yeah. He's hooked good. You ain't getting off. There we go. Bye-bye. Yeah. It was on that same bomb spoon. Tore up my waxies there, but it should be good. I almost don't need a light in here for filming, because I got a light pointing at me right here. Because most of the light in here is coming just from the ice. Take a look. See? Light, dark, light, 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 light. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I'll get back to you when I get another one. That was a big honking group. My bait's gone. Yeah, bait's gone. Woohoo! Man, that school cruised in. Those crappies first got my bait gone. This guy's a little small. Nice little guy, though. As you can see, it's a different time of day and my shirt's different. But the fish are still here. I just went in for lunch. And it looks like the fish are just in the middle of theirs. And bomb spoon again. It's crappie and everything here. Well, get another one on here.
Alright, and this is a picture of my new logo. I will be making a stop motion animation of this coming soon. And while I'm moving, I will have very little time to work on videos, so it might be a bit of a little lapse in video production here. But I will try and keep up with it as much as possible. And I'm also in between video editors here for a little bit. Right now I'm just using a trial version. And, well, I'll try and keep up with things as much as possible, but it might be a little inconsistent, so try and bear with me. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.